This is actually probably the most exciting news. I'm gonna cry. I think it's time to step it up. I think it's time. Prada. And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emma, back with another video. I'm home in London, feels so good, and I have been doing the work. I've been doing my healing, my spiritual self-development. I've been doing my mindfulness, the journaling. But have you ever heard of the power of Prada? Because that one works a treat. I have an unboxing for you guys later. I got some really cool new pieces. I'm also going to take you along my recent trip to Amalfi Coast and Sardinia, which was amazing. I also got stung by a jellyfish, not so great. But I got this gorgeous diamond bracelet in the process, so there's been a lot going on. Let's just skip the awkward part where I say like and subscribe because we just want to see the video, right? Before I do the unboxing, I just want to tell you about this movie that I cannot wait to watch called The House of Gucci, starring Lady Gaga as Patrizia Gucci, who actually ends up murdering her husband. She went to jail and she was known for her extravagant lifestyle, and she coined the very famous quote, which is,
"It's better to cry in Rolls Royce than to be happy on a bicycle."
Now, I find it amusing, and yes, I'm sure we could all think, oh yes, I'd much rather a Rolls Royce than a bicycle, but if you've ever been really miserable and crying and depressed, you know that there's no amount of Chanel handbags, there's no Rolls Royce that's gonna fix your problems, that's gonna get you out of that. So, I do think it's misleading. However, a little bit of retail therapy, small amount, right? It helps short term. So without further ado, let's get into it. Some beautiful shoes, which I'm very excited to show you. I have these beautiful pink mules by Prada. Now, I did want them in a black or a white because I feel like it would go with more things, but they were sold out. And I really like the shape on the foot. It's very flattering. It's like very narrow, and I think pop of color, you can't go wrong. I also feel like I have neglected my shoe wardrobe in a long time. Like I just don't gravitate towards heels. Maybe because it's COVID, pandemic, I don't know. And then I got these sunglasses. Now these were an impulse purchase. So when I got to London, obviously I had to make a little stop off at my favorite place, my happy place, which is none other than Harrods. Let's just skip past that. We all know the truth here. I tried on the black. I saw the black online, and I thought, oh, they look really cool because I like the square shapes very in. These are more trendy. What do we think? Obviously with the right look. So this look I found in Prada very quickly. I was immediately drawn to it. I just thought it was something different and cool. These boxy shirts are really in at the moment, and I tried one on in Dior. It was a red one and I loved it, but the shorts, the matching shorts, they only had a huge size, so I couldn't get it. And then when I walked into Prada and I saw this matching set, I was like, yes! It's a really cool tie-dye print. I think this could be so cool worn like open with a pair of jeans and a tank top. So versatile. Same with this, you could just wear like a different top and mix it up. Shot this on the boat. I thought it was really cool. I got lots of love. So I was thinking about doing a video, guys, next, and tell me what you think. Showing you the looks that I got the most love on Instagram for. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments below. I got these Napa leather shorts. There's like tiny little holes in it. It's really cool, it has like the Prada logo here. I've been wearing a lot of Pangaya and Aloe Yoga. I think it's time to step it up. I think it's time. It's time. No, I love my Pangaya still. I love my Zara. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is this gorgeous white cardigan from Prada, oversized. I think it's really cool. You can wear this with a pair of jeans. This will actually last me like in September, October. It's a really fresh look. This is a size 38, has like the Prada logo discreetly at the side there. It's a really nice chunky knit. I'm getting ready for that transition into autumn winter. Okay, next to show you some shoes. Now, I really like these sandals. I've been wearing a lot the Hermes sandals, like overkill, too much. So yeah, I definitely needed some more sandals. And these white ones I think are really cool. What do we think, guys? Oh yes, now we'll move on to the bags. Something that is going to be in all year round is this gorgeous bag. Wow. so sparkly. I love the shape. I actually have this one in a blue nylon. It goes with everything. And it's gonna go really well with my black Prada boots. Oh yeah, and the next thing I want to show you, also spotted on Instagram, and this one luckily not sold out, is this cute beach bag. This nylon's really in, it's sustainable nylon. Last but by no means least from this Prada haul is this beautiful bag. I've had my eye on this style for a while. So I got the black and it's the smaller version. They do a bigger one, but I think it's so classy and elegant. Will go with so many things. Beautiful. Then I got this sweater and it's got a drawstring and it's made again from this sustainable nylon. And it's like a really lightweight fabric, you know, something you just want to put on with shorts, with denim jeans, really casual, but then it's kind of elevated, a little bit cropped with the drawstring. So I really like the shape of that. Very cool, kind of that boxy shape. So I got this beautiful bracelet from Cheryl Burkhoff, and she has an amazing jewelry collection. Jewels for the elegant badass. And it was incredible to meet her because she's super talented. She started off as a makeup artist and she did over 30 major motion pictures, and that's where she met her husband, actor Rob Lowe, and all the celebrities wear her jewelry. Gwen Stefani, Gwyneth Paltrow, Cameron Diaz, Oprah Winfrey. She has really stunning and unique pieces. I'll leave the Instagram up here. It has this beautiful diamonds here, and then it's like balls here, stretchy. So like casual, but then fancy and glam. So I love this. Just show you some new Pangaea I got. I absolutely love this color. It's like a mint or matcha green. They had actually sold out in small for everything. So I got a medium, I got large. I didn't care what size it was. I just really want this color in my life. So you can see I have the matching nail polish that I got actually before I ordered these. So I've been into that color for a while. I got the matching trousers. They're so comfy. I also got like this oversized, they only had it in a large. You know, I love shorts. These ones are a medium, huge. They need that drawstring. I already have this celestial blue color in shorts and jumpers, so I wanted to get the trousers. Ordered something online, which you'll recognize, it's been trending everywhere, and it arrived. I'm not sure this is quite my size. I guess it's gonna stretch, let's hope. It looks like it's for a 6-year-old. Super tiny, but this I've seen on Dua Lipa, Miley Cyrus, Kylie Jenner, and it's become like a real hit. Yeah, love this look, poster girl. So I also wanted to show you one other thing that I got from Match and Match. How beautiful. Okay, what else? Oh, life update. So I promised you a life update. We went on this beautiful yacht. We went to Amalfi, we went to Capri, and then we went back to Sardinia before making our way up to south of France. It was a really special trip. I tried to learn how to do the hydrofoil, which is an amazing experience. Like once you actually get up, well, that was hard. And you manage to bring the board up, you feel no friction of the water. You're just gliding. You feel like you're Jesus walking on water. It's amazing. I was like really enjoying that. There was wake surfing, we did jet skiing. We went to this place called Ponzo that had these amazing cliffs, and I was going through the different cliffs and just beautiful crystal blue waters. We had a swim there. It was a really incredible experience, and it's not the last trip of the summer, but it was definitely one of the top. Back in London, going to see my family. I'm also doing flat viewings because I'm determined to move flats. I've mentioned it before, but obviously things got in the way and I was traveling, but now I'm really set on moving and I've been doing some viewings. Oh, I fell in love with this flat today. The view was incredible. Oh, I'll show you, it's so nice. And then also have a very exciting trip coming up to South America. This is actually probably the most exciting news. I'm gonna cry. Okay, okay, I'm in. I wanna go to Lima, Peru. I wanna do Machu Picchu, I wanna do it all. Oh yes! This will be a trip of a lifetime. So I think we can finish the video there, guys. I'd love to know which was your favorite item from the haul today. And also let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel. Always open to your ideas. You know what to do, hit that like and subscribe button below, come join. And I'll see you in my next one, bye.